Hi, I'm Bethany Keener. I'm the Director of Communications and Development at the Jubilee Association of Maryland. Brian, Raymond, and Khalil live here in this beautiful home. It's been in constant use as a home for adults with intellectual and developmental disabilities for 2 decades. It was time for a major renovation. Thanks to a grant from Montgomery County and generous donors, work got underway this spring. Let's go take a look.
Hi, Bethany, welcome. Come on in.
Wow. Tell me about what happened here.
Every room in the house was touched by the renovation. We widened doorways and hallways to make it wheelchair accessible. We took down walls to make an open concept, and bathrooms were upgraded and made accessible.
Kathy, this is gorgeous.
Thank you.
How do Khalil, Brian, and Raymond feel about it?
Well, let's have Khalil tell you about it.
Nice. Good to be back.
It's good to be back. What's your favorite part about it?
My room, my staff, bathroom.
Yep.
This is the living room.
Okay.
And then let me show you my perfect staff right here. This is Mr. Williams. Yeah. These are the best staff in the whole world.
Thank you to Montgomery County and all the generous donors who made this renovation possible.